The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council (KHADC) held a meeting with the Syiems and Dolois of 53 Himas under the umbrella of the Federation of Khasi States to discuss issues related to strengthening of the Himas. Deputy Chief Executive Member of KHADC, Pinchngain NCM, explained that the goal is to strengthen the union amidst concerns over changing laws of the Government of India. He emphasized the importance of upholding the Instrument of Accession (IOA) and the provisions signed in 1947 and 48.
Kajla barok kawai, kari khasi barok kawai, ngin hab ban keren syai, ba ya kajinglong terpang jongi, dari ban buram mdei tang hagaktin, hanrei hagakam hapok ki provision jong constitution juga di India. Hauslem kat kenai sepak sau punya, kat kenai sepak sau pupra. Hadin pagari India kalayok ya kajinglai lui. Ki ar pusan teli ki hima. Kila soi ya kawai ka dulir ka bagi ong ka annex agreement bar ka instrument of accession. Ka paragraf ka basao jong kane ka agreement ka ong ba ki wei pan ki hima khasi. Light na kini ki apsan hima. Kila ban penyesok kum kidukot jong kane ka senjuk.
The Voice of the People